Now we go to the example 2 of section 8.1. Now it's the same that in the figure, AE and BD are intercept at C, and we need to find the value of x and value of y. And we consider the value of x. We can see that x is an external angle of two triangles, including the triangle CDE and also that is the triangle ABC. So we know that, okay, x is the external angle of triangle CDE and also external angle of triangle ABC. So actually, we can use the property of a external angle of triangle twice. And we consider the triangle CDE. So in this triangle, we can use the external angle of the triangle once. That is, x is equal to 66 degrees plus 72 degrees, which is the external angle of triangle. So we can find that x is equal to 138 degrees. And also, in the triangle ABC, as x is also an external angle of this triangle ABC. So actually we can apply the property of the external angle of triangle once again, that x is equal to 2y plus y, external angle of triangle, so that 148 degrees is equal to 3y. So lastly, y is equal to 46 degrees. That's it.